Hey guys, this is the COMGROW Filament Dryer. It's one of the best dryers on the market. It fits 2 rolls and it gets quite hot. It also can serve as a storage unit to keep it nice and dry. Now, to use this unit, press the power button. That'll show the temperature and the humidity. To set it up for heating, go to here. You adjust from 40 degrees to 50 degrees, however much you want. I want 50. Press that to select, and it goes from 6 hours up to 12. Now, if your filament is very dry, if it's like 45% humidity, higher, you can put it as long as you want and it most likely won't hurt it. Now, if you don't select it in time, it will reset. So what you can do is go here, 50 degrees, and then I want it for 11 hours. Set that. You might not be able to hear it, but that fan is very quiet in there. There's just a small fan that circulates internally. That blows up and around. That goes and lets the filament dry. These are also on nice rollers. So with these, there's a little rib in the middle. Be careful of that. You can have the filament come out of the top through these bungs here. It provides a nice close fit. It's really nice. I've used this to dry many rolls so far, and it's proved to be well past its worth. You can often get coupons for it on Amazon. It seems to work quite well. I've seen reviews saying that the fan is loud, but to be honest, it is quite quiet. Even with it open, you can hear that there. Close it. Silent, nice and quiet. I really recommend this. And then you can also get a live humidity readout and the time remaining. Once again, this is the COMGROW, and it's one of the best filament dryers on the market, to be honest. Thank you guys for watching.